Hey everyone, welcome back to Kanen Coffee here with DeLonghi Magnifica Espresso machine, which was brought in for no particular reason other than for a tune-up cleaning where we replace the brew group, we deep clean the rest of the machine in the upper brew assembly, placing the gaskets, lubricating the moving parts, and running a descale cycle. And now here it is, still working just fine, just tuned up. So we'll pour a little shot. Looking good. It's going to stop there at about 1 ounce. Alright, thanks for tuning in to Kanen Coffee. Please like our videos, and if you like our videos, please subscribe to our channel.